Hi, welcome back. In this video, we will show you how to code the buffer or how to programming using the buffer. We will. There are several buffer classes shipped with JDK, but for this tutorial, we will only use the byte buffer to learn how to use them. For the other type or for more information, please go to this. It's official documentation page to have a look. Okay, let's bring up our idea and we create a package called let's just first we will demonstrate or we will learn how to create the buffer. So let's create a package called Nio and create buffer. This one is demonstrate. As we said that buffer is actually an array-like storage. So first, there are two ways. Normally, we use these two methods to create the buffer. The first method is to use the allocate function that for an empty buffer, and the second method is to use the wrap method if we want to wrap our message or our content. We already have the content, then we can use the wrap method. So let's this is the code we prepared. Let's we just copy over the first part. We just copy over the first part. The first part is use the allocate to no, oh. Use the allocate method. First, we need to import the class. As you can see, we use the allocate and giving the capacity of 5, because this is a byte buffer, so it will hold 5 bytes. And let's say what will print out. As you can see, it print out 0. So the default value for the byte buffer created using the allocate method will have 0. Have the default value of 0. Let's try the second one. Byte buffer wrap. We need to have a message. Let's say hello. Message get bytes. And we also want to print out what's in the byte buffer. Wrap dot length. Or we will see the message the length. We print out what's in the buffer. We use the get method of the byte buffer. Let's say, let's get some divider. As you can see, these are the byte code for our characters. Hello, H is 72. If you remember the ASCII, or you can look up the byte code for H is 72, and so on. Okay, that's it for the byte buffer or buffer creation.